Join me as we enter to the fascinating world of innovations, technology, gods, love, and our lives. This Intersec is the premium platform for the visitors to explore the industrial insights and new products. Here, this is our 25th years of Intersec, and from that last decade, Uniview is participating in this Intersec. So let's begin the journey to the unlimited new view. To start with, let's connect to our amazing smart home solutions from Uniview. Hi Sandesh. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
So here we have the 75-inch touch smart interactive display. We also have the 65-inch and the 85-inch. It is a very elegant design, which is also very sleek. In terms of interface, it is very user-friendly. Also, we have a very nice touch effect. We also have a lot of ports available for your usage, right? We offer, in terms of visual effects, we offer 4K resolution and ultra high definition videos. It has a very nice touch screen which can be used to maneuver in the smart interactive display. You can see a lot of features here. You can write with 10 fingers at a time, which you can delete. This smart interactive display can be used for presentations, for interactive learning and collaborative work. Keeping in mind the customer's requirement, Uniview has released the new series of Wi-Fi cameras. We have the indoor PT camera for home use. We also have the outdoor PT camera, and we have the outdoor bullet camera. All these three cameras support human body detection. It can be connected with your NVR. Also, you can use these cameras with the smart app which we have in the mobile. This is an indoor station which you can see here.
Outdoor. Wow.
This indoor station is connected with the outdoor station. This is the Villardo station. You just have to press the button. There is a 2MP camera which is installed already. This will be shown in the indoor station, and you can click the button for accepting the call or rejecting the call or answering the or opening the door. We also have the apartment solution which we have released recently, which is this is made up of metal. You can. With the increasing demand of green energy, Uniview has launched the new all-in-one RESS, which is a residential energy storage system. This can be used for powering your home. As the name suggests, it's residential energy storage system. That means it has to be used for residential purpose. It can provide you with lighting, charging and storing the power. This comes with a very powerful battery which is from CATL. It's a very reliable source of battery. This can provide you with two types of power, 6 kilowatt and 10 kilowatt, which is enough for any residential use.
Next to the view is to our spectacular image core technologies. Mr. Charles, hi.
So when it comes to coverage, the most important part is the kind of lens that you choose to make sure that the entire area is covered and there is no blind spot being covered. For this reason, Uniview has introduced multi-view cameras. For the multi-view cameras, the first camera that you see here is a dual lens camera. It's a fixed lens with 130 true WDR, and this allows you to have multiple views in different directions with one camera. And not only with one camera, it also gives you the option to use less IP resources and less IT infrastructure cost. So this has a multi-lens camera solution with one IP. We also have a bullet camera which has two lenses. One is a fixed lens, and this gives you a panoramic view 180 degree, and the moving lens which is optical lens of 25x to 30x. We also have a PTZ camera lens which is fixed lens panoramic view with white light technology, which gives you a complete range of light on the coverage, and also a moving lens which is integrated with the fixed lens. So not only multi-view lens, we also have something called as Omniview. Okay. So let's have a look on it. This is our Omniview cameras, which has one lens but can give you 180 to 160 degree of coverage. So this helps for projects where there is a wide area to be covered. All this can be achieved with our Omniview cameras. So with Omniview cameras, you can cover a very large areas like a parking lot, a warehouse, a big site or a sports stadium where you need to cover a complete large area. For covering this, we have all these different solutions and products with us. The first one is a Doom camera with 1.6 mm lens, which can give you 160 view angle. Not only 160 view angle, but whenever you do a playback, you can get 32:9 ratio of playback. Then we have a bullet camera, a dual lens bullet camera. If you see this bullet camera, it has 4 megapixel of two lens, which together when combined can give you 180 degree of range coverage. Now in the last part, the last product that we have from Omniview is the multi-lens camera. This is 16 megapixel camera. Each lens gives you 4 megapixel, and this can also be deployed for most of the larger scale coverage areas. We are not finished with the core technology. We have two best core technologies with us. So let's find what it is.
Okay.
This is our Uniview, one of the core technologies, that is TriGuard 2.0. In TriGuard 2.0, we have a single camera having three major core technologies, that is SIP function, smart intrusion detection, sound and light all together into one camera. The camera that you see here, it's an 8 megapixel camera with two white light and warm light options. So when you have a dark area, the global settings will enable this white light and warm light so that you don't miss out any darker areas at night. So this is the Dune camera, the turret camera, which gives you a white light and warm light effect with SIP function. Just to add to it, Syed, we have this differentiation that is happening with the normal camera and a TriGuard camera.
The difference.
So this, if you see how bright the image is happening.
Colorful.
This, there is no light or street light, any kind of source of light. Here you can see a complete TriGuard solution for this one.
Oh, great.
This is our Color Hunter 2 series. As you know, Syed, most of the theft and the issues happen at night where there is very less light in the scene. For those things, we have Color Hunter 2 series. In Color Hunter 2, we have cameras with white light and warm light. But not only with white light and warm light, we make this Color Hunter functions enable, but also with the right aperture and the f-stop and the iris. So these three things contribute a very powerful color series of camera, which gives you 24/7 color functions.
Okay.
In Color Hunter 2, we have fixed and varifocal both. With varifocal, when you zoom in, you can see a very good color image. So this is very vital for most of the regulations around the globe.
Now let me immerse you the realm of Uniview Business Park solution. Hi, Mr. Yahya.
Yes, this time we would like to highlight the business park solution. Uniview, in the open areas, we are having various kind of cameras to go around the clock video surveillance. If you see here, we have the bullet camera 180 degree, and we have a dual lens camera. So both of them, they have panoramic views, which it will be suitable for intersections and signals. We have here the dual lens camera, which is highly recommended because it can focus in all the areas. You cannot miss any of the area. So we have a bullet BTZ down, so the bullet camera for monitoring, and BTZ cam for covering all the areas. If you see here, here is the BTZ dual lens camera. We do have the mini dome camera, which is using it for elevator. It's a mini dome, small cameras that will be installed in the lift and it will be monitoring the elevator. Those all video content, what we show it for all the cameras, it can show from the smart box. It can enhance all the smart algorithms such as smoking detection, fighting detection, object removal, and it will be informing the security guard or security staff if there is any abnormal behavior. Let me, Mr. Say, show you the parameter solution what we have on the side. The parameter TriGuard camera and BTZ active deterrence, it is always highly recommended. Due to deep learning algorithms, they can detect intrusion behavior accurately and generate alarm. For access control bar, Uniview can provide turnstile and face recognition access control, which can allow access to the card or QR code or the face recognition. And here, Mr. Said, we can show you the barking solution what we do have.
Okay.
For parking lot, we do have our ANBR camera, which can control the car in and car out. It will be controlling the barrier to let the car in and car out. And for the open parking lot, we do have our 4-lens camera, 4-lens panoramic cameras. It can view 180-degree angles. Let me show you the chain store solution, what we have here. If you see here this line of cameras, we will be showing you the chain store solution. We do have our thermal cameras, which can have body temperature detection and for fire detection. And we have our new BTZ bundle proof IK10, and we do have our fish eye camera for heat mapping. That is the product range of chain store what we do.
To combine with this solution, we have a top server solution which combine AIoT and AIO solutions. Hi.
Hi. Before we go depth into our community solution, we need to know the current situation is. First, there are many systems need to be managed centrally. Secondly, our CCTV system may be managed by the on-duty personnel, which incur the high labor costs. So our AIoT can help you to solve the above problems. In other words, artificial intelligence plus Internet of Things. Internet of Things help us to gather data and management in the center. And the intelligence help you to realize the people recognition and license plate recognition, ITS, ANPR, and other system management, which made the management more efficient, simple, and convenient. So our solution is not only focused on the CCTV management, but also allows to the added value. In summary, our community solution can help you to realize the management of people and vehicle. So to guarantee the public safety and the strict mobility. It can help you to realize the people and vehicle management. So you don't need to react the incidents or trend, but can prevent and anticipate them as well. This is our intelligence server. We also call it Universe. help you to realize the management of people and vehicle, and even depict the trajectory of their target. Second is behavior analysis, which can support up to 13 types of algorithm, like insurance detection, falling detection, and people counting, etc. And the last part is our ITS. We also call it vehicle management. So we have our ITS camera and LPR and ANPR to help you to recognize the basic data of the vehicle, like license plates, vehicle color, vehicle brand, vehicle model, etc. With all of this metadata, which can be managed by our universe. And we also can do other analysis, like some illegal driving behaviors, like crossing line, overspeed, and driving in the wrong directions, which can be detected and analyzed by our ITS camera. And the ITS camera sends the data to our ITS terminal. And the terminal, in other words, like the NVR, and some kinds of NVR sends a message or some alarm and the data into our universe. So in terms to the community solution, the people and the vehicle and the camera detection can be managed by our universe. If you want to get more details, welcome to come here. Thank you.
Some of our customers have many sites to manage, such as chain store, branch offices, and multiple schools. So for the big project, we will install many cameras. The cameras may be tens of thousands of cameras. So it is very difficult to manage so many cameras because this will cost a very high cost of the bandwidth cost and the storage cost. So we introduced the VMS B1000 solutions to solve this problem. The VMS B1000 can manage up to 100,000 cameras. All the cameras, such as traditional cameras and smart cameras, can be managed. And the data, for example, the video stream data and the pictures and the alarm records can be managed by the VMS B1000. And accordingly, to save the cost of the bandwidth and storage, we introduced some of the policies for the local storage and the event-based storage for the branch offices. We have two dedicated cameras for the border protection and the forest fire detection. They are different from the appearance, but the function are same. You can see that the cameras have two lenses. One is for the visible light. The other one is for the thermal camera. We can detect the heat image of the objects, especially for the forest. If there are fire, we can detect the fire. And if the oil pipeline is on fire, we can detect and protect oil pipeline. Here is the cover for the laser generator. You can see that with this dedicated product object, and with the light, with the laser light, the camera can see the event from almost 1,000 kilometers away. And this is for install the mountain or the forest. The other one is for in the city object. For example, for the border and the ports, this is a small size. You can see that we have still two the lens. One is for the visible light, another is the thermal camera, and also the camera has laser in supplementary light also. Thank you.
Let's move on to this wonderful LED solution what we have, and the most awaited integrated software, Uniview Guard by Charles.
So as you know, we had LED solutions since very long time, but I'm really excited to show you the most awaited flexible LED solution where you can flex it to 90 degree. And this has been shown here at 90 degree curve LED. And each module has 2.5 as the pixel pitch, and this is 4.3 to 1.6 meter square.
Wow.
So this gives you a full view of curve LED.
Wow, great.
After
So Charles, we are waiting for this most awaited solution, highly centralized integrated software. Can you please explain more about UNV Guard?
Yes, of course, because now as you see from our LED screen, this is UNV Guard. This is the official launch for our UNV Guard solution, where we have been awaiting this for a very long time. And finally, we have UNV Guard, which is a complete Windows-based platform, which is unified and can take 10 subsystems. These subsystems also include the camera, the video, parking management system, even it includes the gate barrier, visitor management system, people counting, and many more. So this is our UNV dashboard. As you see, all the 10 systems can be integrated to it. This gives you a very large options wherein the integrators can choose which module they want. When you buy UNV Guard, the base license, it comes with 100 channel licenses. So if you have to increase it to a next level, you only have to pay whatever the channel cost would be. And rest will be the module choice, what the integrators wanted to integrate. And this software, that is UNV Guard, is so light, it can integrate into a very mini PC, that is i7 or i5. If you have a project more than 300 cameras, you can just use an i7 and 16 GB RAM PC, which can enable the complete system. So this has been launched with UNV Guard. So now if you see, Bilal, this is a complete dashboard from UNV Guard. On the center, you have the EMAP. You can upload your floor plan or your building design, and you can intonate all the cameras and devices into the dashboard. Once there is any alert, you can see the recording immediately on the alert. So this gives the security personnel to take the action on the alerts immediately. On the left, on the right hand side, you will see all the live views of records which is happening. This is for ANPR, traffic management, central management system, turnstile gate. On the left hand side, you will see all the devices which are connected, access control, intercom, and also the visitor management system.
Okay, great. Thank you.
The isolation of closed systems bring inefficient park operation. UNV Guard is a unified management platform that integrates more than 11 business systems. It achieves the fusion and visualization of events and data, ensuring smarter management. Video management achieves centralized display of CCTV systems of various scales. Vehicle traffic management. Visitor management, access control, time attendance management, elevator management. Customer flow management, alarm system, and more systems. UNV Guard brings intelligence and convenience to small and medium-sized scenarios, enabling highly efficient and flexible operations. UNV Guard, security integration in a complete solution.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
So we have questions like, can you please tell us about this event and how do you feel about this Intersec?
I think it's a really long time from the last time I come to here to visit the Intersec. It's just, I think 5 years ago. So after so long time, I think the market already changed a lot and the technology already changed a lot. Many ideas come to fact. Many technology come to fact. So this time, Uniview already also have some change from the single product line to multi-product lines, and from the only just CCTV product line to currently we also add many new product lines, for example display, intercom and so on. And also from the product to solution, it's very important. This time we take the new VMS software come to this exhibition and introduce that to our customer. It's very simple but very important. And this year we will use this to be a core part of our new solution for many system integrator. I think this year we will have a new beginning.
And how about the vision? Like, what role will UNV will play in this Middle East market in this future?
Middle East market, I think, is one of the most important markets around the world. Because not like Europe and America, it's just go to the way of the cloud service and some AI technology. But I think the Middle East market is more similar like Chinese domestic market. Many metro requests of the solution for city safety and many other requests. And also there are still very important part of the market request to the independent software. It's not cloud. So it's why we take UNV Guard this time come to here. Based on this, we will add the CCTV part and the intercom and other subsystem. Based on this, we will step by step add more resource into Middle East market for our BD team in every country, and also our technology support team in every country. I think in future, it's not only the distribution market for us, the topic. We will step by step go to the middle end and the high end project market. Maybe 2 or 3 years, but we see the future and we will do. Yes, thank you.
And this is very glad you are here.
Thank you very much.
Very thank
Have
you
a good
for, for this grace in this event. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you looking forward to this Intersec event?
Actually, myself is Mashood MK. I'm from Digital Link Technology.
Okay.
We are the one of the national distributor of Uniview in 2017 onwards. And from here, today I can see that compared to last years, Uniview has released a wide range of products. And I can see that the new thing is Uniview VMS, software-based VMS. This is new thing for me.
Exactly.
Actually, we are waiting for this solution a long time ago. And today I am very happy to see this solution.
Finally awaited thing we released.
This thing.
Sure. We have a lot of range of solutions now. It's a great to explore here, and you have a look at on that. Enjoy.
And also, Uniview has released a video intercom solution.
Video intercom,
this is
smart home.
New product for product portfolio for Uniview.
Smart home solution we have. So you're enjoying this?
We are enjoying it.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So much.
Here we are at the end of this 2024 Intersec. Before we disperse, I would like to share you a famous quote from Steve Jobs. Technology alone is not enough. You need to have to passion for it. If you do, the technology will help you to realize to vision. So thank you all for joining this event, visiting us and gracing this event. Thanking you and love you all. Bye-bye.